Most people only see the paycheck. They don't see what it takes to earn it. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Today, I'll show you what it's really like to work 13 hours a day as a low-paid worker in Japan. First, I need to get dressed as quickly as possible because I don't have much time. I've done this routine so many times that it almost feels automatic. To save money, I usually bring my own lunch instead of buying food from a convenience store. Another long and exhausting work week has begun. Last night, it rained heavily, so the weather feels cool this morning. I'm hoping it stays cool today without raining. I'll be taking the company vehicle to work today. The streets are almost empty this early in the morning. I'll stop by a convenience store to buy a cup of coffee and a pair of work gloves before heading to work. Coffee helps me stay awake and drive more safely. My co-workers still look a little sleepy. After more than an hour of driving, we finally arrived at today's construction site. Today's first task is to unload all the equipment from the truck. After that, we'll start assembling scaffolding around this building. Can you guess how much this steel plate weighs? Leave your guess in the comments before I tell you the answer. Every single day, we have to carry and move over 100 steel planks and scaffolding poles. It's one of the toughest parts of the job. It's 12 p.m. now, which means it's finally time for our lunch break. Honestly, I'm completely exhausted. I don't even have the energy to eat. Even so, I need to eat. There's still a long afternoon of work waiting for me. It's 1 p.m., and our lunch break is already over. Now it's time to get back to work. The afternoon is often even harder than the morning. The temperature gets higher, our bodies are already tired, but the workload doesn't get any lighter. Working at a construction site in Japan means every task has to be done safely, accurately, and on time. There's constant pressure because every project follows a strict schedule. Even a small mistake can slow down the entire team. Today we're carrying heavy steel planks and scaffolding materials over and over again. By the end of the day, we'll have moved well over 100 pieces. Each one is heavy, and after hours of lifting, every step starts to feel harder. Sometimes my arms are shaking, my back hurts, and all I want to do is sit down for a few minutes. But there's no choice except to keep going. Everyone around me is working just as hard, so I remind myself not to give up. Life as a construction worker in Japan isn't glamorous. It's physically demanding, mentally exhausting, and every day pushes you to your limits. But this job supports my family, and that's what keeps me moving forward. I just hope I can finish today's work safely and return home to see my family again. After a long 13-hour workday, we're finally heading home. I'm completely exhausted, but it feels good knowing we finished today's job safely. The drive home is always the quietest part of my day. Everyone is tired, and there's hardly any conversation in the car. All I can think about now is taking a hot shower, having dinner, and spending a little time with my family before getting some sleep. Tomorrow, we'll wake up early and do it all over again. That's the end of my 13-hour workday. Thank you so much for watching and spending the day with me. If you enjoy real-life videos about working and living in Japan, please like, subscribe, and join me on my journey. See you in the next video.
Vậy á? Hả? Ăn quả. Thơm lên.